Hi, I'm Meg. I'm a site merchandiser for LovelySkin, and this is my friend Jill, our content manager.
Hi, everybody.
Today we are unboxing a popular skincare brand, Indie Lee.
I have always wanted to try this brand. I love that their formulas are clean, cruelty-free, and are made with sustainable practices like refillable packaging and green chemistry, which utilizes greener processes during product development.
I love that. Indie Lee is going to fit right in at LovelySkin. I'm going to start with their #1 bestseller, the Brightening Cleanser. This is a vegan, plant-based gel cleanser that also acts as a makeup remover and an exfoliator. For anyone who struggles with uneven skin tone, like me, this is the perfect daily cleanser. Plus, it smells like strawberry.
I'm trying the COQ-10 Toner. It's alcohol-free, and at first spritz, it's very light and it feels refreshing. It has COQ10, which is a powerful antioxidant, plus aloe vera and cucumber to soothe skin.
Up next is the Restorative Eye Cream. This is great for dull-looking skin and dryness around the eyes. It has hyaluronic acid and anti-aging botanicals like ectoin and paracrest for fine lines.
Finally, I'm trying the Daily SPF 50 Primer. It's an all-mineral sunscreen with a serum texture, a light tint, and a dewy finish. It protects with 12% zinc oxide and antioxidants, plus it has niacinamide to minimize pores and even tone.
Overall, I think these formulas are versatile, gentle, and great for anyone who prefers clean formulas, free of ingredients like sulfates, synthetic fragrance, BHA, or BHT. I think my favorite product is the Brightening Cleanser because the strawberry seed and tomato formula is so unique. Plus, I love starting my morning with a dose of brightness. And what about you, Jill?
I think I'm gonna have to pick the sunscreen. I've been looking for a tinted sunscreen serum to add to my collection, and I love the way this feels on my skin.
Thanks everyone for watching. For more unboxing videos, tutorials, and skincare education, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Bye.